Hi everyone, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft, and today I'm back with a really simple and quick but cute little idea. Now I saw this on a lady's blog. I can't remember who her name is, I'm terrible, but I'll put the link to it. And it was very old. I think it was from like 2012, so I don't know, it's well over 10 years old or something. But I thought it was really nice, and it's these cute like little bubble mailers that you make yourself with your patterned paper. And this was a smaller one I made because you can make them any size you want. But I like this one because I decided to like score the edges, and I think they look really nice, plus that paper's so cute. So I'm going to show you how I did them. So you need paper and some bubble wrap. So I picked this really cute paper. I've got 2 sheets of it, and I'm gonna cut what would be like, this would be the way the mailer would be. So this way I'm gonna cut it to 9 inches, both pieces together. And then one of the pieces, I'm going to turn it and I'm going to cut it. Or was I cutting it or scoring it? I can't remember. Yes, cut it. Yeah, to 10 inches. So one of the pieces, cut it to 10 inches. So you've got one that's 9 by 10, one that's 9 by 12. And then I took my scoreboard and then score at 1/2 inch, and then 1/2 inch, and then 1/2 inch, but you obviously only want to do it on 3 sides. You don't want to do it on what would be the top of the bag. And then you can go in, I'm going to turn it this way to do it, and score at every 1/8 of an inch. And that will give you that sort of nice scored effect. And then do the same on the bottom. And then I kind of miss the bit that I've just scored. So I start from, like, I just score in the inside bit. I'll show you what I mean. It's like there, I haven't scored over that. I've just started from there to that score line there. And then I'll start from the bottom on this one. I think that looks really nice like that. And then I'm going to do the exact same, but first of all put it on the long side, and I'm going to score it 10.5 inches. This will be the bit that closes, so you don't have to score, just stop your scoring it there. So 1/2 inch, sorry, wrong way. So 1/2 inch just to the score line. And then 1/2 inch. And then again, I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to do it at every 1/8. Put it in this, I'll put this up here. There we go. And you can give these just a little fold up if you want. I didn't really burnish these, I just kind of folded them up a bit. Right, so you're going to take some bubble wrap and you really just want to place it sort of, you want to leave a decent gap. Now I've got two pieces here, so I can cut them both together and then I'll have two, one for each side of the bag. So yeah, can you see I've left a decent gap between where these score lines start. And then I'll have to open this. Okay, so we've got a piece for there. Now what you have to remember as well is this one will have to be a bit shorter, because, well actually they will both have to be, because we don't want that catching. So I'm going to cut a bit off here. Make sure that fits there, and then not forgetting that this bit we don't want it coming past there because this one's shorter, so I'm just going to take a tiny little bit off here as well. There we go, and all you're going to do is stick this down. Now make sure you don't have any tape sort of sticking past this wrap, because whatever you put in will stick to the tape. So I'm just going to put a bit here. Doesn't have to be precise, honestly, just so it's stuck. And then the same with this bit. See, I don't want that overlapping there. There you go. And then I'm going to take the smaller side and I'm going to cover the three sides with double-sided adhesive. And then you're going to stick it to the bigger piece. There you go, and that is basically it. Now how cute is that? It's all protected with a bubble wrap, and these are great if, say, you've got like pen pals or you want to send out some you know, Happy Meal or something nice to somebody. And what better way to send it than these. So yes, these are just the cutest little things. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will be back again on Sunday with another video. So take care and bye for now.